Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can fix this app cannot be downloaded because content restrictions are enabled on your device. So if you are seeing this kind of problem in your app store, and especially if you're trying to download any app and it says something about content restriction on the app that you're trying to download, so I'll show you the fix for it. What you have to do is just simply go to your iPhone settings. Once you're inside your settings, you just need to scroll down a bit until you see the option of screen time, and yeah, you just gotta go ahead and find screen time. Yeah, here we go. You just go ahead and open it up like this, and right over here you'll see this, but you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and open that. And right over here you got two methods on how you can fix that. The first one being just going to apps. Right over here you just gotta go ahead and press on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Once you press on it, you'll see the option of apps. To go ahead and open it up. So if your content restriction is turned on, what you need to do is just simply set it to 17 plus. If it's set on don't allow or any other, let's go ahead and set it to 17 plus. Once this is done, you can download the app. However, if you don't want content privacy and restrictions, just go ahead and simply turn that feature off like this. Once you've turned it off, you won't have this message, whatever that is, and you'll be good to go. You will be able to download any app. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.